Hi, this is third part of the series based upon simple linear regression. A real estate agent wishes to examine the relationship between the selling price of a home and its size. The size is measured in square meters. Also, he wishes to predict the house price. This is one of our variable based on house area. So house area, it affects the house price. So it means that house area will become my independent variable. I will represent it by X, and this is also my predictor. So our house price, that is my dependent variable, we represent it by Y. A random sample has been collected from a colony from the 10 houses. The dependent variable price is, that is the house price. It is represented in thousands of dollars. The independent variable is the area of the house that has been measured in the square meters. Now, using these formulas, we have to find A or B naught or B beta 1 or B. So first of all, we will take the start from the product of XY, then we'll proceed further. So this is the data we have to multiply XY. So I will write here 245 multiplied by 140. Then for the second row, multiply 312, this value with this one, multiply by 160. So likewise, you have to write 279 multiplied by 170. So do it in the calculator, and whatever answer you will get right there. In order to write in your exam and do it for the last one also, 255 multiplied by 170. You will have to do the same for all of these rows. In order to win exams or an assignment in quizzes, whatever you have to do, just write this first value and this second one. So 245 multiplied by 140, write in the brackets, then plus sign, 312 multiplied by 160, plus sign, then always put 3 dots, then plus sign, then write the last one, 255 multiplied by 170, and then solve it in the calculator. In order to do the same in the Excel, please first put is equal to sign or equality symbol, then click on this X button. This is my X variable. Then click on this cell first. It comes out to be bluish color, F2, like this, and then insert the multiplication symbol from your keyboard. This symbol you will get from on the key with the name F8. Then click on this y-axis. This is my y-axis. You will get here G2 because these numbers are related to the to the Excel sheet columns and rows. So do not go into the numbers, just you have to click on the x-axis cell and the y-axis cell, insert the multiplication symbol, and then press enter. You will get your answer. After clicking the enter, we got the answer 34300, 34,300. In order to do the same for this whole column, do not enter the formula for all of them. When you click on this cell, it will be highlighted in this way, just like this cell has been highlighted in the green color. Click on this, you can say lower right corner, this one at this point. When you double click on this point, you will get the answers for whole row. Do not drag it or do not do it for each and every cell. It's time consuming. Just find the first answer, click on the lower right corner, you will get the answer for all. So here you can see the product of x and y has been calculated and their sum is there, 508,284. This is the sum for summation of x, y. Now using these formulas, I will calculate summation y and summation x now. For the summation of independent variable x, in the Excel you will have to write again is equal to sum and then select the whole data set that represent our independent variable, in this case house area. In order to do it manually in the calculator, you will have to write 245 plus 312, likewise enter all of the values, 279 plus 308, likewise still write the whole values and then at the end the last value. If you want to write it in the quiz, assignment or paper, put the equality symbol in the start, insert this symbol summation of x, write these values, then put the equality sign and write here the answer what you will get. So upon summation I got 2865. Now we will go towards the y-axis summation. So repeat the same procedure for the y-axis. In order to calculate in the x, equality symbol, then sum, then select the whole data set, this one. You can see the bluish color here in the whole column has been selected and the blue color symbol of these alphabets and numerics. In order to do it for the exam and paper, write summation y is equal to, write only first two values, 140 plus 160, then plus symbol, 3 dots, then the last value, and you will get the answer. The answer is 1714. Now we will move towards the sum that has been calculated by the Excel, the same 1714. Now we will calculate the product of summation x and summation y. Because we have calculated these two values, we have to just multiply them simply. So summation x multiplied by summation y. For your paperwork, you will write summation x multiplied by summation y is equal to 2865 multiplied by 1714. In order to do the same in the Excel, put the equality symbol, then click on this x-axis summation of x. You will get the blue color result, and insert the multiplication symbol, then click on this cell that contains the summation of y. Now we will calculate. Upon pressing in the Excel, we will get our result. So the results come out to be 4910610. Thanks a lot for watching this part. Bye.